Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Percolate for brand marketing workflows, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Percolate and press enter. Click on the official Percolate website link from the search results. Once on the home page, locate the sign up or get started button. Click on that button to proceed to the registration page. You will now see a form requesting your information. Fill in your name, email address, and company details as required. Create a strong password and confirm it in the designated field. After completing the form, review the terms and conditions. If you agree, check the box indicating your acceptance. Now, click the Create Account or Sign Up button to submit your information. After submission, check your email for a confirmation message from Percolate. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. This action will redirect you back to the Percolate platform. Log in using your email address and the password you created earlier. Once logged in, you will be taken to the Percolate dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the various features available for brand marketing workflows. Explore sections such as campaign management, content planning, and analytics. Take advantage of the tutorial or help section if needed. To integrate your existing tools, navigate to the Settings menu. Here you can connect social media accounts or other marketing platforms. Consider customizing your profile for a personalized experience. Start creating brand marketing workflows by selecting tools relevant to your strategy. Make use of templates and resources provided within the platform. Regularly check for updates and new features to enhance your workflow. You're ready to optimize your brand marketing processes effectively. If the page does not load, make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.